Hey fam, I am staying at the Riu Palace Paradise Island in the Bahamas for 4 nights in a junior suite. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, right away to your left, you'll find your closet. You'll find some space to put items above. You'll find your hangers, your ironing board, and some further space to put your luggage or whatever items below. On the other side of the closet, you will find above some bedding. You'll find further hangers, and beneath you will find your iron and your safe, and some more space to put other items, luggage, or whatever it is that you desire below. Now, to the left of the front door, you will find your bathroom. Here is your bathroom. You have two sinks. You will find your soap, your face rag, your toiletries. You will find your hand towel here. You will also find your regular towels here. And here is your toilet, and going into the shower. There is no bathtub for those who may love bathtubs, but you have to be careful because there's a step up going into the shower, so be careful of that. And here you will find your shower head. This is a nice size shower to me. It's a nice size. Now, coming out of the bathroom, to the left you will find a standing mirror. Now to the right you'll find these items to drink. They are included in the price, so drink as you desire. You'll find your coffee pot. You'll find here a ice bucket as well as a big bottle of water. Underneath here you'll find your fridge, and in this fridge you will have different sodas, beer, and you could ask them to fill it with whatever you desire if you want more items as well. All of this is included in the price of the hotel. Into the bedroom. This bedroom has two beds. You can ask for one bed if you so desire. On each side of the beds are places you could put further storage. There's lamps above these drawers, and also you will find your phone on that side. Now you will find in front of the bed your TV, your chest of drawer. You could put more clothes. So they have a lot of space where you could put items, your clothes. And if you have seen other of my videos, you know how much I love this bench. This bench, I love it. You can put your luggage on it. You don't have to put it on the floor. You don't have to put it on the bed. I just love this. And so here it is. I have my luggage on here, and so I can unpack as I desire without having to put it on the floor or on the bed or any other place. Above it you will find a lamp. Now, going further into the room, here you find two chairs and a table, and then we have a balcony right here. So let's go check out the balcony. It's not a big balcony, but you will see, I think it's good enough for what you would need. Coming out into the balcony, there's two chairs and a table. So it's not a big area, as I said, but look at the view. So you're looking out into the ocean, and you can see the pool area, and to the left you can see Bahamas in the distance. So you just want to come out here and chill a little bit. Just, you don't feel like going outside downstairs by the pool or by the beach. You just come out here for a little bit and just chill. Now going back into the room, I just want to show you the room one more time. this is the room. So fam, what did you think about the room? I like it. I think it's a nice size. It will be able to serve me well for these few days. Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will help my channel and I will gladly appreciate it. Until next time, happy travels.